Hey friends, you are watching Easy Life with Soumya English and today's recipe is a crepe roll. So let's get started.
In a mixing bowl, put 1 egg, quarter teaspoon salt and 1 cup milk. Mix it well. And then add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, baking powder quarter teaspoon and mix it well. There should not be any lumps. Now it is mixed well. Keep it aside. And then in another bowl, put 2 eggs and quarter cup chopped onion, half cup chopped tomatoes, green chili 1, little chopped coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon salt and half teaspoon chaat masala. Mix all this well. Now it is mixed well. Now heat a pan or tawa and spread some oil or butter and pour the batter. Spread it like this and cook it in a low flame. Now it has dried from the top. Now put egg mixture in it and spread it. Then cook it on low flame. Now see, the egg also cooked. Now turn it and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. Now it is cooked well. Put some cheese on it. You can put any kind of cheese here. Now after covering it, let the cheese melt well. Now it is ready. Now make a roll it when it is hot. And then let it set for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it is ready. Now very tasty egg crepe roll is ready to eat. If you like the video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel and also give us your valuable comments or suggestions. Thank you for watching.